Passenger MATIK CHANA LEIBAGA LEINGAK Transport Service MAHOUSHAGUM THABAK HOUGANI HAINA Chief Minister Biren PHONGDOKKHRE Wafam Masingasi Chief Minister gi Darbar Holda Directorate of Information and Public Relations DIPR na puthokpa mathang chahi kumjali singani kungamari gi wall calendar amasung diary release tawbagi thoramda mahana phongdokkibani DIPR na sinduna Works Minister Govindas Konthozam amasung IPR Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan yauna pangthokkiba thoromaduda paumi singna hangba wahangi pakhom piraduna Chief Minister Biren hai haukiba tha khara asida Imphal gi area da Tangdu Leitaba Phivam hanjilakle adubu Ching district anidadi Tangdu Leitaba Phivam ningthina hanjalakpa ngamdrabasu Chada kun Romdi Hanadagi Phivam Phagatllakle masige iroinana LEINGAK transport service ki oinasu passenger ningthina leibaga MAHOUSHAGUM THABAK paikhatba horagani handak MST gi bus ani Imphal dagi mau amasung CHANA na transport service haudokiba adugi matangda bhat tanadaba Phivam khara leikhi hairiba si matungda di thoklaroi LEINGAK ki maikedagi tawpham thokpa thorang paikhatuna transport service ki khudong chaba miyamda fanghangani aikoina paikhatkadaba thabak sing adumak pangthokani kangpokpi amasung CHANA district ta oiriba law and order gi Phivam gi matangda paumi singna hangba wahangi pakhum piraduna Chief Minister Biren makhatana hai Irang kalingai matamda Imphal gi area dasu security personnel sing chathok chasin tawbada ayet apan kaya ama mayok nakhi adumapu hojikti tapna Tangdu Leitaba Phivam da hanjilak pangamlakle mataw asigumna hairiba Ching district ani asidasu tapna Tangdu Leitaba Phivam soidan hanjilakani masigi damak matam kharadi lawba mathautai state asida leiriba mipum khudingmak amatani aikoi gi mi ngaktani maramaduna makoida henba force sizinabasu pamde adumakpu hojik oiriba Phivam gi matungina LEINGAK tawgadaba amasung thengnagadaba sing thabak to onthokani haina Chief Minister Biren makhatana phongdokhi
akiba dum leini pau phawna ba se microphone da phone da law ngangna ba yaw ai ga kana ga phawna ge do moi kham kote moi du su akiba dum leini amasu agenda thonga le duna khoi gi di akhoi manipur gi damakta oneness the pamjaba ari kuki mayam ma hana gi ari ba mayam loina lai khoi loina work tawri moi khara khak ki bapan da pangang boi wani aduna we should not take otherwise Moi subhat tarkani, ITL subhat tarkani, Koku subhat tarkani, like general people in the bhatar kusmain. In the meantime, I want to appeal to the all citizens who are in Manipur and taking part in the present crisis to stop violence, start peaceful dialogue. We have to live together again, and we have to resettle the displaced person in their respective places. The children has to go to schools. People have to do their works, so I would like to appeal to the concern to stop violence with the coming of the Christmas and the New Year.